May I request everyone to please take their seats? Good morning once again, and on behalf of Easy Trip Planners Limited, we extend a very warm welcome to all of you. We're truly pleased to have all of you join us today to commemorate the listing of the equity shares of Easy Trip Planners Limited on National Stock Exchange, a very significant milestone for the company. Before we begin, may I request everyone to please kindly rise in respect of the national anthem.
हिमाचल यमुना गंगा उच्चल जलधि तरंगा तव शुभ नामे जागे तव शुभ आशीष मांगे गाहे तव जय गाथा जन गण मंगलदायक जय हे भारत भाग्य विधाता जय हे जय हे जय हे जय 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 हे
and bus tickets and taxis for major cities, as well as ancillary value-added services such as travel insurance, visa processing, and tickets for activities and attractions. Easy Trip Planners provides its customers with access to more than 400 international and domestic airlines, almost 11 lakh hotels in India, and international jurisdictions. I'm sorry for that. It ranked second amongst key online travel agencies in India during the 9 months ended December 31st, 2020, in terms of booking volume. The company also recorded the highest growth of gross booking revenues among key online travel agencies in India during fiscal 2018 to fiscal 2020. In terms of net profit margin, Easy Trip Planners Limited was the only profitable player among key online travel agencies in India in fiscals 18, 2019 and 2020. And now, as we proceed, we would like to welcome the various dignitaries who have joined us today and welcome them on stage with a bouquet of flowers. To begin with, we would like to welcome our host for today, Mr. Hari K, Chief Business Officer, NSE Limited, formerly known as the National Stock Exchange, and please welcome him with a bouquet of flowers. Mr. Hari K. Now, our dignitaries for today's event. Mr. Prashant Pitti, Whole-Time Director, Easy Trip Planners Limited. Welcome, sir. The book running lead managers, Mr. Arvind Ganeshan, Senior Vice President, Investment Banking Coverage, Axis Capital Limited. Inviting now Mr. Atul Mehra, CEO, Investment Banking, JM Financial Limited. Thank you. We will now commence this auspicious occasion with the lamp lighting ceremony, for which I request the management of Easy Trip Planners Limited, Mr. Harry K., and other dignitaries to please join us for the lamp lighting ceremony. Thank you for this ceremony, which is done as a tradition and marks a new and prosperous beginning for Easy Trip Planners Limited. And now I invite Mr. Atul Mehra, CEO, Investment Banking, JM Financial Limited, to initiate the proceedings by sharing his opening remarks. Mr. Atul Mehra.
Good morning, ladies and gentlemen. On behalf of the management of Easy Trip Planners Limited and the team of Book Running Lead Manager, it is my privilege and pleasure to welcome you all to the listing ceremony of the initial public offering of Easy Trip Planners Limited, more popularly and easily referred to as easemytrip.com. We popularly use this name very commonly in our office for this company, so pardon me if I use this name a couple of times. Today is a memorable day, and this is indeed a very memorable day, as we witness the listing of Easy Trip Planners on the Indian browsers. And this is very important because you're making a debut at a very interesting value proposition of 20-30 crore. Okay, it's like you're coming to bat at a valuation of 20-30 crores, and this position is just the beginning. Headquartered in Delhi, when we first met the Pitti brothers, and there are three of them, when we met three of them, we were truly impressed. We saw the hunger, we saw the fire in the belly, we believed in the business plan, and what we really liked was the same passion was continued at the time of the roadshow when they met the investors, and as a result of which we saw a tremendous success in the IPO, and the issue received a thumping response from all categories of investor and garnering around 40,000 crore of demand from various categories of investor. What is interesting, on behalf of everyone, I acknowledge the hard work, the good work done by all the intermediaries to make this transaction a super success. A very thank you to all the intermediaries, and a special thanks to the regulator SEBI and the two stock exchanges, the NSE and BSE, for helping us complete the transaction in a time-bound manner. We have worked with Pitti brothers, and we have achieved the listing today. All I wanted to tell Prashant out over here is today is just the beginning. His responsibilities will grow many-fold. From servicing few shareholders to now almost 1 lakh of shareholders, His family has really expanded, so he has to take care of a lot of shareholders. And I'm sure with the same passion and dedication that he had, this company will be able to achieve greater height and will be amongst the remarkable companies that India has created in the run-up from 2020 to 2030. So it again coincides with the market cap that you are starting with. Heartiest congratulations once again to the entire management and the family at easemytrip.com or Easy Trip Planners Limited. Thank you very much once again.
Thank you, Mr. Mehra. And now it's my pleasure to invite Mr. Prashant Pitti, Whole-Time Director, Easy Trip Planners, to share his thoughts on this auspicious occasion. Mr. Pitti.
Good morning, ladies and gentlemen. Well, firstly, thank you so much for being present over here on such auspicious day for this company, where we're getting listed at NSE. We started this company in year 2008. It's been 13 years. Now, we can proudly say that there is some level of success we have achieved on today. We started this as a B2B company. Very soon, we evolved ourselves into a full-fledged OTA, whereby we are serving customers using our platform, easemytrip.com, for all their travel needs, be it bus, trains, flights, hotels, anything. Now, at the core of EaseMyTrip, we believe ourselves as a technology company rather than a travel company. We solve travel problems using technology. And that is why you would find that our employee expenses are among the lowest when you compare us against our competitors. As we speak, we are the second largest OTA in India right now as by the air tickets volumes. And we are growing at the fastest pace of 43% year on year since last 2 years. Moreover, the company has been profitable since inception, 2008. And in the last 2 years, we have been the only profitable OTA in the market. We are among one of the very few rare companies you would find in the world who have successfully listed and have done the IPO work while being bootstrapped. By bootstrapped, I mean not raising money for the growth purposes from the investors. Let me highlight few technological advancements which our company has made in the last few years. Well, for first, our company created world's first chatbot on WhatsApp to book and check prices for air tickets on WhatsApp itself. How does it solve problem? Well, we all have the habit. Let's say you want to travel from Delhi to Bombay on 3rd of April. We all have habit to keep checking the price, right? To go to the various websites and check the price. However, what we have done is just drop a message on our WhatsApp number 99903030330. Over there, give us a very few information, Delhi, Bombay, 5th March or 5th April. And you will keep receiving price update for that particular day and that particular travel. If the price is going down, you will be updated. If the price is going up, you will be updated. So that you no longer have to keep checking the price. The second instance, we realized that actually calling a customer service number is a little bit painful these days. So what we have done is we have integrated our systems with WhatsApp, so you can just drop a message on WhatsApp on our number and our live agent will be able to support you for your entire bookings. Third example, we recently added a live quiz show on our application. Now using this live quiz show, if you answer, every day at 1:30 this quiz show begins and we ask 15 travel related questions. If you answer all 15 travel related questions, you get flat 1500 rupees off on any flight. And the fourth example is we understand how boring it can get when you're traveling on the plane alone. So using our cutting edge technology, EaseMyTrip app users can chat with each other on airplane even without internet or Wi-Fi. These are some of the examples I'd like to name of what are the things which we have done in technology. Now let me tell you what is keeping us busy in these days. Well, first and foremost, we want to increase our hotel and holiday penetration, and as the past speaks, we have been able to successfully do so, but we still have to do more. And we are working with various hotels, various aggregators and holiday providers to get more deeper in it. And since the margins are better for this industry compared to the air travel, we'll probably be able to be more profitable in the future. Second, we have the highest network of travel agents. Around 56,000 travel agents have registered on EaseMyTrip. We want to provide our services, not just using our website, but also via the travel agent network to create a very robust distribution system. We are also getting in partnership with various international airlines so that we can offer better rates on international air tickets too. With this, I'd like to conclude our presentation and thank everybody who has come over here. I really want to thank our investors who have shown tremendous faith, our staff. Without our staff, we wouldn't be able to stand over here. So thank you all the EaseMyTrip staff who have worked day and night to make us stand where we are standing today. The regulators, our bankers, our lawyers, BSE, NSE, everybody who has contributed to make this IPO successful as what we are able to see today. Thank you, everyone.
Thank you, Mr. Fitri. And now I would like to invite our host, Mr. Hari K, Chief Business Officer, NSL Limited, to please come and share his thoughts. Mr. Hari K.
Mr. Prashant, Atul and Arvind, good morning. Thank you for being here. Ideally, we would have liked to have much more crowd, but I think in this current environment, this is the best way to go. I'm sure a lot of people are joining us virtually, so a warm welcome to each and every one of you. Miss your brothers, would love to have them here. In fact, I was speaking to Nitesh, I was telling on a different context, I'm one of your users, and the response I get from your team was phenomenal. I didn't know that you're going to come and get listed here and I'm going to speak here today, but the response was phenomenal. I was sharing some anecdotes, but what you said today about the WhatsApp chat, it's really good. I don't know this, even I'm a user, I didn't know this, so it's a lovely thing to do. Every listing is very special to us. Easy Trip Planners, on such a wonderful day. First, let me take this opportunity to congratulate you on a phenomenal IPO, oversubscription across categories. And coming to list on one of the largest exchange in the world is truly momentous. So thank you very much for being here. The smartphone and technology, as you rightly said, is really going to take us to places. For example, even if you take NSE as an example, in the last few years, and especially in the last 12 months, the number of people who have used internet, smartphones to trade on us is phenomenally increased. I'm sure you'll see the same trend, and that's where the technology will help us to reach us to the length and breadth of the country. Second, this will also give a very good insight to other promoters, other companies who are in the same space to come and access public markets. You have shown the way, and I think surely people will follow that. NSE has also got a platform called Innovative Growth Platform, mainly meant for tech companies, startup companies to come and get listed. And one of the key things which I'm very happy is that you are one of the companies in this space to come and get listed in India rather than going outside. So thank you very much. Best wishes, many congratulations.
Thank you, sir. And now to commemorate the significance of this event, we will now have an exchange of mementos. First, I invite Mr. Hari K, Chief Business Officer, NSE Limited, to present a special memento to our esteemed dignitaries. And to receive the memento and the listing certificate, I invite Mr. Prashant Petty, Whole-Time Director, Easy Trip Planners. Thank you. Next, Mr. Prashant Petty will present special mementos to some very special partners whose contributions have been invaluable in the successful listing of this event. I first invite Mr. Hari K from NSE to receive the memento, please. Next, to receive the memento, I invite Mr. Arvind Ganeshan, Senior Vice President, Investment Banking Coverage, Axis Capital Limited. Next, I invite Mr. Atul Mehra, CEO, Investment Banking, JM Financial Limited. Inviting now a representative from Legal Counsel, Khaitan and Company. Next, a representative from Legal Counsel, AZB and Partners. Representative from International Legal Counsel, Squire Patton Boggs, Singapore. Representative from Registrar to the Offer, KFin Technologies Private Limited. Now I invite a representative from Statutory Auditors, S.R. Bartley Boy and Associates. And now I invite Mr. Rajesh Chaturvedi, Chairman, Adfactors PR and Advertising. Thank you so much, Mr. Petty.
Thank you.
And now, ladies and gentlemen, let me invite Mr. Arvind Ganeshan, Senior Vice President, Investment Banking Coverage, Axis Capital Limited, for today's vote of thanks. Mr. Arvind Ganeshan.
Good morning, ladies and gentlemen. It gives me immense pleasure and happiness to be here amidst
this August gathering. Listing is a momentous event for every company. I think it's more true for EaseMyTrip, considering the times that we are in, the challenges that we face, and the sector that we represent. I think that's primarily because of the business model that the company has put out. I would like to congratulate Prashant, who's here, along with Nishant and Rikant, along with the entire management team, to have crafted such a wonderful business model. If we take a setback, if we just look behind what makes EaseMyTrip so successful, one thing which comes out is the value for end customers. The company has been built around an end customer. It's a single-minded focus of giving value to them. And the entire operations has been worked backwards. With that, what Prashant and the rest of the team have shown is that you can have a verticalized e-commerce platform which is bootstrapped, can be profitable, yet show industry-leading growth rates. Now they are the second largest OTA in our country. It gives us extreme happiness to be a partner for them to take this incredible story public. Not only that, the company has kept on moving from strength to strength. As Prashant was talking about the kind of technological advancements that they have worked on, they have added more and more moat to the customer value with each passing day. That is obviously being acknowledged by the investor universe, which has rewarded the company with an overwhelming response in the IPO. Knowing the company for quite some time, and the promoters more so in particular, they are incredibly hardworking people. They are extremely intuitive, well-grounded, focused on technology. I'm sure these kind of traits holds the company in a very good light, and I would expect the company to continue working the way they have worked in the last few years and reward the shareholders who have reposed such a great faith in the company with handsome returns in the years to come. Good luck and have a great year ahead.
Thank you, Mr. Ganeshan. And now, ladies and gentlemen, we are moving towards the moment we have been waiting for, the very historic moment when Easy Trip Planners will see itself listed on the stock exchanges of India. May I request the management of Easy Trip Planners Limited, Mr. Hari K, Chief Business Officer, NSE Limited, and our esteemed dignitaries to please proceed towards the gong. And since we have a minute or so, let me take this opportunity to invite the dignitaries for a photo op. Ladies and gentlemen, when we are 10 seconds away from 10 o'clock, I invite you to join me for a customary countdown. All eyes on the clock. Ladies and gentlemen, are we ready? Do join me. Ten, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Congratulations, Easy Trip Planners Limited is now officially listed on the stock exchanges. That's a grand opening. Thank you, everyone. We are grateful to our host, NSE, the book running lead managers to the issue, our members of the board, our family and friends, well-wishers, our shareholders, and all you lovely viewers who have taken time out to celebrate this momentous occasion with us. Thank you all once again. Do join us for refreshments hereafter and have a great day ahead. Thank you.